Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can upload with YouTube Studio app. So first step, you need to go on to the Play Store and search for YouTube Studio. Hit enter and you need to download YouTube Studio. Once you download, you simply need to open that. And here you can see the plus icon on the top. You simply need to click on that and select a video. So I'm going to select this video for uploading. Okay, and here you need to create a title, add description. You can change the visibility of the video, that is private, unlisted, public. You can select that. You can select audience, not made for kids. If your video is made for kids, you can select option from here. And once you complete that step, you simply need to click on upload, and after that your video will be uploaded onto your YouTube channel. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.